Hi guys! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to each and everyone. Welcome back again sa ating channel. At yes, nasa ibang location po ako. Kung makikita ninyo, medyo diba? At kung nakikita nyo na sa ating title at kung nakikita nyo na sa ating thumbnail, malamang alam nyo na kung anong gagawin natin. And I'm so sorry if you are na medyo pause just because may sakit pa po yung lola nyo. Anyways, I have here with my husband. Of course, sino ba kasama ko dito sa room tour na to? Siya lang naman. The one and only, my loves.
Good morning sa inyo lahat.
Hi! Ayan. So, yun guys, mag-start ako by, we're going to do a room tour dahil this place is new for me and I think this room deserves to be featured in my channel because I really love the room. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. Napaka-easy to access. The place is it's nice. Hindi naman siya ganun ka high class like Sheraton or you know, the 500 reals a night hotel, but this one is so cheap but yet it's so comfortable sa mga katulad kong OFW dito sa Saudi, especially here in Khobar na medyo tight ang budget natin. So if you want to know what hotel is this one, lalagay ko na lang yung picture there, somewhere, there, on the thumbnail, whatever. So, yeah, i-check out nyo na lang or i-check nyo yung link. Hihingi lang ako ng something, location, number, anything. Ilalagay natin sa description para magkaroon din kayo ng idea if ever na pupunta kayo dito. So, before anything else, tigilan ko na yung daldal ko. Umpisahan ko na yung aking room tour. Okay, bye-bye! So guys, magsa-start ako in here. Of course, sa main door tayo magsa-start, no? So the main door is in here. I have my key in there and our room is 108 if you wanna know. I know you don't wanna know, but yeah, my room is 108. And when you open the door, it's locked, of course. You have to lock your doors every time because we don't know what happened next. So bakit ayaw niya mabuksan, Bex? Ayan, si Honey lang pala yung nakakabukas niya. So, magdahan-dahan ako ng words ha kasi baka tulog yung ibang tao. Magising natin sila. Kasi, ayan, ito yung aming hallway. Ayan, yan yung aming hallway. Nasa first floor kami and when you get inside, this is our room. Ayan, so pagpasok mo, fully carpet lahat yan. Carpet, carpet, carpet. And when you enter the room, it's full carpet. Lahat yan carpet except for the bathroom. And then, hindi siya katgaya ng may napupunta kami ibang hotel na pagpasok mo nangangalingasaw yung amoy ng banyo. This one is a big no-no. Napakabango. Anong ginagawa mo, Honey, yung asawa ko? So, I'm gonna lock my door first. Ayan. So, this is the door. So, main door tayo. Ikot ako. When you see, Honey, ano nga ba to? Kanan o kaliwa? Ito. Bobo talaga ako sa... Ha? Kanan? Oh, yeah, it's kanan. Kanan is right, right? Right, okay. In my right, in my kanan, here's the bathroom. When you get into the room, you can see the bathroom. So we're going to the bathroom. Hey, focus. Yan. So we see the bathroom door. And when we see the bathroom door, you will see what's inside in the bathroom. What's inside in the bathroom. Yeah, so the bathroom is so big. Not like huge big, but it's big. And the problem is actually I don't care about the kalawang because here in Saudi Arabia hindi mo maiiwasang magkakalawang ang mga metals kasi we have a salty water. Medyo hindi siguro nila na-filtered maigi yung water kaya hindi naman masyado siguro nalinis nilang maigi kaya nagkakalawang yung kanilang mga like that. So, that is because of salt water. Yeah. So, ito na, pero so far, basta walang amoy yung banyo and hindi siya madumi, aside from the kalawang, it's fine with me because it's so cheap naman the place. So, yeah. This is para sa aking mga kaibigan dyan na gustong mag hotel na medyo affordable lang siya. This cost pala 140 reals. Ayan, without breakfast ha. Ayan, so meron siyang tab na I don't want to go there because there's a kalawang there, you know. And then there's a hanging towel. They have towel, but this is mine. This one is theirs, but yeah, they have their thing there, that one, and then this one. So okay, yeah, that's it. I don't want to stay in there too much. So the next one is this one, the fridge. So they have the small fridge, but I was wondering why they put two big na place for the fridge. So they have small fridge. And then we don't have anything in there because it's so cold now. And look, this is what we bought yesterday, and Honey put this one in the fridge, and look what happened. I don't know what's that. But yeah, this is my fruits because I'm sick, as all you know. And this is my tom yum. And yeah, so we're going inside the room right now. Bakit ba ako nag-i-English? I'm so yeah, right. Yeah, whatever. So Honey is in there. The size of the bed is king bed. Is that a king bed, Han? Or queen? I think it's a queen size bed. It's so big. Yeah. So dahil yan ay aming natulugan na, medyo nagwasak na siya. Hindi na siya ganun kaganda tingnan. Pero when you get into the room, at first talagang napakaganda ng pagkakalatag nila ng higaan na yan, and the bed, and the what you call this, the pillow and the blanket and everything, etc. So when you see here on my left, in the front of the bed is the TV with the dresser, and I really don't know what are they doing. This is so funny because I really don't know what are they doing, because the dresser, they put the TV in, and they put the TV up here na supposed to be, ito yung dapat na dresser na kailangan mo ng salamin, etc. And they put the TV there, and I don't know what's going on there. So I was thinking to remove the TV and put it in the table so I can use the dresser, but the thing is, it's so heavy and it's so difficult to remove that TV because there's wires and everything. So yeah, and then the dresser is like that there, and there's whatever is this, and yeah, ganyan siya. Then the other side is the cabinet, and the cabinet is so big where I can hang my abaya, my pants, our pants, and our stuff there. Oh my god, my bra is there. Oh, there are your shoes down there. And they also have a center table. Oh, I don't know what is that, center table or whatever. So no, it's not a round table. It's a table. It's a coffee table. It's a coffee table. And one chair. And there is the curtain with, when you see outside, you can see here is what's the name of, anong tawag nito, Honey? Terrace. Hindi, terasa. This is a terasa, guys, where you can smoke outside there. You can put the chair outside and then smoke outside. Yeah, like that. So it's very, very nice, and they have a long cover so the other building cannot see you in here because it's prohibited to see anyone anywhere. So yeah. And then we have our kalat, and then we have our side table. I don't know why they always put one. They always put one side table, one table with one chair. What's up with that, guys? Anyways, and then that's funny because they have what is this, Honey? Lamp, side lamp, and then the other lamp is up there. And then the other one is there. But anyways, guys, anything Honey is vlogging my vlogging. Ayan, so everything, and then the floor is all carpeted, and it's so soft, and it's so, hindi siya mabaho na carpet, and I really love it. So, all in all, guys, I really love, all in all, the place, the coziness, ayan, yung comfortable na higaan, yung bed is so big and so soft, hindi siya masakit sa likod. I mean, me and my husband really sleep well in this bed, and yeah. So yun guys, medyo yun lang yung ating room tour kasi medyo ano siya, namumula yung labi ko, sakit. Sumingit pa talaga yun. Anyways guys, yun lang yung aking maliit na room tour, and as all you know guys, hindi ako madalas nagro-room tour dahil most of the time, yung pinupuntahan naming room is always the same. And this time, we found out another place na medyo okay siya. So, kailangan ko siyang i-hotel room tour para alam ko kung saan ko siya babalikan ulit. Diba? Ano yung hotel na yun na maganda na okay ako, ganon. So, yun. So, by the way guys, yung TV pala namin is my TFC. This is so nice because this is para talaga sa Pilipino kasi may TFC. Pag may TFC yung hotel room mo, ibig sabihin, i-consider nila na para sa mga Pinoy yun. So, yun. They are so very considerate. Yeah. So, anyways, guys, yan lang yung ating video for today. And sana nagustuhan yung aking hotel room tour. And sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na gustong mag-hotel, mag-hotel dito sa Khobar pag may mga family gathering dito sa or may mga event dito sa Khobar, pwede kayong magstay dito. Sobrang ganda ng place, promise. And very affordable lang. And it's only 140 reals. And it's nice. So, yun lang yun, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, guys. And sana, abangan nyo ako sa susunod ng mga videos ko. And by that time, magaling na ako. Promise. Ayan. So, thank you for watching. God bless you, everyone. Bye-bye. See you on my next one.